Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Stitch data pipelines for real-time SaaS reporting. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Stitch data pipelines for real-time SaaS reporting, the first step is to log into your Stitch account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see your existing data sources and destinations. Click on the Add Source button to create a new data source. Select the specific SaaS application you want to connect to from the list of available integrations. After selecting your SaaS application, fill in the required authentication details, such as API keys or login credentials. Once the authentication is successful, choose the data types you want to replicate for reporting purposes. Next, define the frequency of replication by selecting the real-time or scheduled options that best suit your needs. After setting the data source, click on the Add Destination button to choose where the data will be sent. From the list, select your preferred destination, such as a data warehouse like Amazon Redshift or Google BigQuery. Configure the connection settings for your chosen destination by providing necessary credentials and settings. Once the destination is configured, you can map the fields from your data source to the destination schema. Review the mapping carefully to ensure that the data aligns correctly with your reporting requirements. After completing the field mapping, save your configurations to initiate the data pipeline. Monitor the pipeline status on the dashboard to ensure that data is flowing smoothly from the source to the destination. If any issues arise, refer to the error logs provided in the Stitch interface for troubleshooting. With the pipeline active, you can now start building your real-time reports using the data in your destination. Regularly review the performance and accuracy of your reports to make necessary adjustments in your configurations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.